Welcome to the complete walkthrough of Smart Trader Plus. Today, I am going to show you how this ultimate semi-automated trading assistant can completely transform the way you trade. If you struggle with the heavy math of risk management, or find yourself making emotional mistakes, you are in the right place. Before we dive into the features, let's talk about the core philosophy of this tool, the watch and trade approach. Smart Trader Plus is not a set-and-forget robot that you leave running while you go to sleep. It is a semi-automatic co-pilot. You only turn this algorithm on when you are sitting at your desk, ready to trade, and actively watching the charts. It is designed to take over the stressful, rapid-fire calculations and trade management, but you remain the boss. When you are done for the day, you turn it off. Let's take a look at the interactive dashboard. As you can see, it is completely draggable. You can move it anywhere on your screen so it never blocks your view of the price action. You can even minimize it to keep your chart completely clean. Because you are actively watching the market, we built an ultimate trader controls. Notice the giant power button at the top? This is your master switch. With one click, you can instantly pause the algorithm. Let's say a major news event is about to happen, and things look too volatile. Just click it off. When the market calms down, click it back on. You don't have to remove the software from your chart at all. You'll also see your live daily stats right here on the panel. It tracks your current floating profit, today's total profit, and your live risk. Everything you need to know is available at a single glance. Now, let's talk about making money and securing it. Once a trade is open, Smart Trader Plus handles the profit management for you. Notice the trade management section at the bottom of the dashboard. Instead of manually dragging lines and trying to calculate your risk-to-reward ratio in your head, the algorithm does it instantly. Want to make exactly 1.5 times what you are risking? Just set the number to 1.5 and click Apply TP. The system instantly calculates the exact price and places your take-profit order. But what if the trade is moving in your favor and you want a risk-free trade? Simply click the SL to BE button. The system safely moves your stop-loss directly to your entry price. You literally cannot lose money on that trade anymore. Even better, if you leave the auto-trailing feature turned on, the algorithm will automatically trail your stop-loss step by step as the trade moves in your favor, locking in. Every trader takes losses. It is just part of the game. But with Smart Trader Plus, a loss doesn't mean you lose control. The system features a built-in smart memory recovery system. If a trade hits your stop-loss, the algorithm enters a secondary recovery phase. It carefully calculates the next move to help recoup that specific loss. It scales the math perfectly so that one bad trade doesn't ruin your day. We also built in a break-even safety net. If your trade closes at break-even, meaning you didn't win or lose any real money, the system instantly recognizes this as a safe exit. It automatically resets to the primary phase without forcing any unnecessary recovery trades. And remember, you are the boss. If the system enters a recovery phase, but you look at the chart and decide you don't like what the market is doing, just press the reset button. It cancels. To help you read the market, we included a hidden market momentum meter right here on the dashboard. This visual bar gives you a quick, real-time read on the market's temperature. It helps you easily gauge if the market is exhausted or trending strongly, without needing messy indicators all over your screen. Now, check out this feature. Say goodbye to staring at the chart waiting for the price to reach a specific level. Simply click the alert button. A custom line appears on your chart. Just drag and drop this line to the price you care about. When the market hits that line, the system will trigger a sound notification, letting you know it's time. Finally, let's talk about tracking your progress. Right on the dashboard, you will see an exact dollar drawdown tracker. It shows you the maximum heat your account has taken during your current session. This is an incredible tool to ensure you stick to your strict daily loss limits. And we all know keeping a trading journal can be tedious. So, Smart Trader Plus does it for you. At the end of every day, the algorithm automatically exports your total daily trades, daily profit, maximum lot size used, and your maximum drawdown into a clean, Excel-ready CSV file. If things ever get too crazy in the market, you always have the emergency close all button, which instantly closes every trade managed by the algorithm with a single click. Smart Trader Plus removes the emotional mistakes, handles the complex risk math, and manages your exits, all while letting you trade on your own schedule. If you are ready to get your hands on this amazing tool, reach out and contact us directly through WhatsApp. You can find all of our contact details right down in the video description below.